Hey everyone, it's Professor Monty. Let's talk about using z-scores to find percentages of data values. So what I've done is I've taken table 12.17 out of the book. It's on page 838. And what this table gives us, it gives us areas or percentage to the left of whatever the z-score is. So for instance, if I have, say, z equals 2.6, the area to the left of 2.6 is 99.53%. Okay, so that's the idea that's going on. So let's use that to do some of these graphs that I've shown you. So the first one says find the percentage of data values to the left of z equals 1.3. Now remember with the z curve, 0 is right in the middle. So 1.3, this is a number line. 1.3 is going to be to the right. And so if I have 1.3 there, if I want to know the area to the left of z of 1.3, that comes straight out of the table. So let's go to z-score, look along the top to 1.3 and see what that area is. It's telling us there's an area or a percentage of 90.32% to the left of 1.3. And so that's just our answer. So we say, oh, that's 90.32%. Simple as that. Now, if it's to the right of something, so again, this is going to be to the right of 0, so that's why I drew it that way. But I want the right-hand side, so I want the other side of it than we did previously. Well, remember in the table, it just gives us areas to the left. So what I have to do, the area under the curve is going to represent 100% of the data. So I go to z equals 0.25 right here. And it says the area to the left is 0.5987. So this would be 59.87%. Well, so the area to the right is 100% minus that. And so we can just do that real quick right here. 100% minus 59.87% is going to be 40.13%. And that's going to be our answer. Okay, so areas to the left, they just come out of the table. Areas to the right, it's 100% minus whatever the number is. And then this last one, part C, says, what about areas between? So I've drawn the picture, and you may already know what we're going to do. We're going to take the area to the left of the 0.70. That's going to give me all the area to the left. But that's too much. I don't want the area to the left of negative 2.1, so I'm going to subtract that away. So let's find those two values. For the 0.70, we're here. For the negative 2.1, I'm here. And I'm just going to subtract those two values away. So it's going to be 75. Well, that's a little dark, isn't it? 75.80%. That's the total area to the left of 0.7, but that's too much area. So then I have to subtract away that 1.79%. And when I subtract those away, I get 74.01%. And that's the answer of the area between the two. I'm just going to put 74.01%, but you need to subtract the larger one from the smaller one, and that's going to give you the area in between. So that's it. Area to the left, just given in the table. Area to the right, it's 100% minus the area to the left. And area in between, it's the area to the left of the bigger one minus the area to the left of the smaller one. All right, that's it. I hope that helps out. And we'll be using this to do some more stuff too. So it's sort of important.